enhle wena mawuphekile lento le it's about live performance or it's about the podcast the latest one. Ngokubheka kwakho. Ngobukawu i-live performance ishayile la before kushaya i-podcast. And bekaluka great. Ma after podcast umatalo lenzani. Watala kuphelela umacala la sikamtshela ukuthi
do you think ukuthi ama podcast ayalwisa?
No macala. Eyalwisa plan.
Makabalwisa man.
Alwisa kanjani ama podcast like i-podcast?
Kothi ya South.
So like because I grew up. Perform my track ngokuthi bazothoki.
Mina hey.
That's why I got my track. Uyabona ukuthi usushile.
Uzenza ispan macala. Mangaziphusha izokhala athi uyobeka promote i-track ayiwa. Yabo.
Yeah.
Mangaphusha, mangiphusha uyakhala. Safiyala ezone 6
khona ikas
yeah washayini kota festival
event yabo stizi
yeah sure amasika la obvious mina vele bengakhulile amajita asenza abaninisa lesini ukawo no ngasafuna ukwenza izinto ngasithembisa zona bekaluka phone aluka tshela amajita athina sohala siyarasi sinetheko jabe njoba
mara ngiphefumile fake
yaphefumile bosenga
akafana ba giving wala wasisi story for that yafana ba giving ayithi like no giving story zenza elabo gele lapha lakubana lezi sikhishayo isikhipha ngithi labatana basifakela ipressure ukuthi bafuna ukudla ya understand
into lezi sikhishayo
Untanga misibulisana thola like siyabulisana sho mara after ukhaniso samfonela athi sesh bathi ukhiphe ama video la ongiperformile ku YouTube iproduce yakhala into ezinjalo angihlangana ne producing channel madoda singathi kuyalwiwa wena misibulisana fika akuthi ngisiringa feel like mara misibulisana ayithola sikuyalwiwa
wena wangambulisana kuqala
baba impela ngikumbulisa kucala mina kunesibulisana grade
manje wangambulisanga ke manje wathi sa hello
like
enhle wena mawuphekile lento le it's about live performance or it's about the podcast the latest one ngokubheka kwakho ngobukawu i-live performance ishayile la before kushaya i-podcast and bekaluka great ma after podcast umatalo lenzani watala kuphelela umacala la sikamtshela ukuthi ngiyakhipha ama video wena ayiboni
uyasho ubhekele le episode kadata
I doubt
hawo mara into ebhede sikhuluma ngomuntu la ayikho into ebhede sikhuluma
umacala bekazi ukuthi uvyasi
amavara phu asicabanga umuntu azongitshela ukuthi ngikhiphe ivideo ku YouTube ivideo inama verse abhaya ngithola so menzothini amara ngikhiphile yazi mfethu thina pieces
asifuni indaba esibhaya
ngithola
alo wami
azilonga sakhona ukuhlala ntwana siyasirecorda esingeke so dependela kumuntu iwani feel ngithola Arawasiyaba fethu letwana yini uthini msession kuRingas podcast show vethu with twins bafethu inazi bafethu emnyama ngaphandle bemhlophe ngenhliziyo bathi sesho umnyama bareke galaxy boy bafethu angivanga i1 bafethu fana ngangivano
vale swisho mdeba bafethu basangicabeni amfisha music feel ngifana uhlela inyatha fethu
abasawucabanga abakhuhlele episode 1 uyo bayivula lawa phela uyo bayivula ngitho otherwise ntwana nawe uyazibonela i-channel ithanda ukukhula kulamalanga so mina ngizocela ukuthi feel ushange ngibhayo nyana eqinenyana ngithola for kuma members ethi acede ukufika bangakuyi ku episode 1 boys
obvious nakabitso ngithapelo dinakane kuwe phi khothi ya South
because I grew up.
Obvious, nakabitso ngithapelo uletse mo khothi ya South baba abantu babitso la social media because push music feel yeah
ucale ngintwana push music
ngaqedile mu 2023 let me say we are studio till 2023 my music maybe probably 2021
never obviously usha studio busy
obvious kukhona ukubhala obvious kushama freestyle
music more is shama freestyle before so is
max
Hamara ke re pele le seshwele no sa ya studio
2021 yeah
so no
like shy hip hop
munga una the track hip hop shy before 2023 maro sigile wa studio before 2023
yeah ashwanja
sijona
sintesira simantala
maro yile studio
ngisifila ukufeel no yaspana manje 2023 ila sengiphushile
so ushaya 2023
shy piano shy piano nya
2023 qala uvele washaya piano ntana
yeah obvious yataba ke win
2023 which year was spana nomulo
mulo spana 2024 yeah 2024
which is last year
yeah around ma before June
early last year early last year
awukho spanela ila
so ngeke uperform ama track ngokuthi bazothi wakhi
mina hey
that's why I got my track uyabona ukuthi usujile
upush span macala mangazipush izokhala athi uyobeka promote i-track ayo yabo
yeah
mangipush uyakhala ufuna mina sispanisana ngastart ukuthi senza sinaba
so unjani like ungasitshela ukuthi manje studio like ibeaver yakhe like ucrane like yakho
afele like yena cooperate yabo
Yeah.
marish ungibasela mase sifika kana ngama-track
sure
sometimes ngiyamanasela sometimes ngiyamanasela ngoba abantu ababhala bakhala ama-artist ayikungikhuluma abantu la ivale nje into ezenzakalayo otherwise yena uyacooperate
oh since ugcine kwi-studio saka cafe last year
sure last year spanner
and then sesingenelele ku DJ Father like ngibonile ngicela ukudrop esingile last week ukuza akufana ufana ke
spananya
so yeah then ngifuna usitshele ukuthi no DJ Father phela last time ulana awusitshelanga ukuthi nahlangana kanjani ungene kanjani ku DJ Father
obvious before uzinga ngo DJ Father
yeah
ngicela ukuringa ngo-data like uyo lo muntu like ongifaka ezintweni
okay asicale la feli sithala ntwana for ukuthi yamthola so ngitshela ngudata ke friendship yakho no data umcavela about that
udata ngimcavela
uphimo
yeah
uphimo masela
Kina kinetwork ashem
ngikule naye from escape
uphimo like from okay sure
skills song
before music ngomcavo
bese ngicula obvious ma bengakasibhali ukuthi ngicula amatheko abantu
yena mega producer by then dala ngizama production yeah
wangizwa umatalo obvious into yokuthi awusushuya
sure
yeah sasikimana kanjani until azopusha bona ngothatha ukubona zezapusha sure nabo joke uphima bekangicaba wa sathi ukugcina obvious saringa sathi sospana izinto azenzakalayo sure until when vele sengiphethe iskele uphima beshaya i-track push walanda udata ngabo 12 ebusuku
Akukho tena udatha ngo-12 ebusuku.
Ispan,
Yo.
Yes.
Serious, yebo, asharada.
Savaya fili. Spanela ngicela ukunishunisa ngithola. Ya ushunga si tava abantu fili fanele izinto. Bangithi sangohlangabisa
No-DJ
no-DJ
Fire.
abantu kanjani saspa.
So minjani into le first day ungena e-studio saka-DJ Fire?
Siyacaba
Phakathi intwana eba-light. So ama-nerves intwana
ngiyacaba mina ngishaya ngishaya mara ngize ngesipana yike ngesipana ngithola into enjalo.
so akhona nyana vele singa-expecta more music
More
from
music uyas nama-DJ nama-gents
and then ama-gig ngifuna siringa ama-gig ey'ntana nina niwathole ama-gig ngingena ku-page yakho ngibheka angazi ngakubona uposte maybe gig guide or ipost ukhona wena kana so nisurvive kanjani level usurvive kanjani during the day ngoba like uyenza umusic kuphela usurvive kanjani akunagigi
ungayikhulumi nishka zakhala ishi
so vele akuna-awekho ama-gig
awekho amagika ngawathula
yini yenza ukuthi ungathola ama-gig wena ngokubona kwakho esayidini lakho
mina ngathini feel I think abantu bafuna ukungizwa like abangangizwa so like I'm still building myself so ngisho kanjani like angakaphela phela le singile neyiboma Lobby Street so like abantu abangangicala so I'm still building myself
mara selihale musende wachisa mara uTikTok ama-video akho awathola ama-views acaba
yeah mina abantu bafeke uyacaba la ngithola into ezinjalo marish amagigi mina ngiyafuna nathola i-chance maybe ngashaya something
or lezi asekasi izo-styles maybe ziyeza kuni mdemba nina lesekhala ngezakho urike naleyo ukuthi wena ile-artist engasaphefomile mahhala
ekuthi nongiphephumile nazokushasha mina ngithanda ukushasha khuluma into ezingekho ngoba yibo basithembisayo amacala swakala into naketla kukho kuthiwa ukuthi something nyana ngithiwa mangifika la izinto azenzakala sengithembele umacala uyasibeka singenile ngibhayi nabantu ngize ne-DJ ngithiwa
unale-DJ sushi
obvious no
uvale i-DJ vele uvale p maorinayo
yeah uphile ngithiwa sesiyacava ukuthi okay usesho obvious sinento nyana la masifika la sositshela into ezingekho yabo siyacabanga
ikhona le part abasikile banitshela into engekho asilike kayo ngithatha ukufake i-stars
fele la bengasiyigigi yami like ngithiwa makafile ngikhona
manje ngeke uzoblame umost ingasi yakho
bheka
Sure.
bekigigi yadatha ngithiwa safika la ezone 6 ngithiwa
khona ikasi
ngiwashayini kota festival
event yabo stizi sure
amasifika la obvious mina vele bengingakhulumile ngithiwa amajita asebenza abanemisunderstanding ngithiwa ukawo no ngasafuna ukwenza izinto ngasithembise zona bekaloku afoni mina aloku atshela amajita athina swakala ngithwele izinto zisethe siyarasi sinethemba ukuthi abheke kuzoba kanje
mara niphefomile fake
sifumile yabo siyayincane ngeke sidisappoint abantu bekaloku bakudla kanti kwenzakala
sushi oro mina expect ukuthi uka uzonenzela izinto anithembise zona after i-performance or before believe in before mina ngiyacaba ukuthi vele ngeke ngithole the access so
asimlandile before just disappointed na before siperform sijune lento leyo ngoba siyenza ngothando otherwise siyakawo betray
so ama-gig
So netlametse a lefe rider.
zaka
Oh.
natshepisitse emergency zakanya
Mara maybe like ditikita di a rekiseha wa tseba ntshakazi.
ngokuyi-free entry or
ngingenwa yimali
Nisitswile.
nisiphumile
Uyangithuka.
wasithuka siyatshela ukuthi akasifuki ngithola into ezinjalo
nizenphefomile man
singakaphefuni
Bese la dula.
bheka lento le siyayithanda macala ngithola thina besinganandaba nokhawu sesibheke ikhawu angibheke uzenzela ikhawu
Foku.
aselanga ukhawu hayi
phela.
ukuthi nososhaba nokhawu ngithola khona abantu la
mara like intwana bheka ngeke uzothi awuncengi yini ngostile uyazwakala ngiyakutshela awuncengi mawufuna
yabo sifisana nani ezama-artist ama-upcoming yabo into esifisana nazo
ngithatha ungifake stars ngithatha ama-artist encane ukuthi ingakudileka kanjani ukuthi ukufikele ufuna ukuyakhona yabona like dileka kanjani ithatha
one thing engingayisho ngithatha like ezama-artist like hayi kunzima ka like cause asibo like ngathini maybe kanjani like
abaliboni
amehla oyekho kayiyethatha ngithola like hayi into ezenzakalayo ama-situation ngithola iyacava like abantu sebayasaba I heard some people bakhe barefeel ngithola ngiyethatha
kunenye into umsikile ngayenzakala ngithola
showcase
sho manje kunomacala savaya sisemaponi macala womanizer leya thanda isitoko yenzani umacala ulanda ugela ngithola baringa uthatha namanamba after ugela uyabuza ukuthi okay manje uthi uhlalaphi fili that time mina fili ngipromethatha practice hayi ungazangitest nokukutesta ngeke ngize la ukuze basezatha
ngithola ngingatext umuntu ngithola via studio session uPromava emlethana wangibuza mina ukuthi ngihlala lapha ngamtexta ngamtshela file mina ngiphume eProtea South since umacala ngamtexta ngishaya ngesini
after ngitshela ukuthi uhlala
ekudla Protea North ayi
angeke ngisobela ikaslam mina yeshikala ikaslam
ngiyena ikaslam
asazi ukuthi konke kanjani
ngithola nami ntwana ngiyosabile yabona nokusinokuposta ukuthi ngivana bona kudala nginokuthi ngifuna la ya understand
hayi akusana daba nithothi
iyabashaya le background abashutile bafasi wabo bayazifaya for kuyoshuta
mina into engiyibonile ka like okay labaphuma ngaphandle uyobayencane ithathe nangazi why company yabo ngithola yibo maybe banga convince labantu ukuthi basibheke nyalo
zatha unale vibe
abogeni like labo banye uringivar basishawela
enale vibe
ethanda ithatha mangale lo mntana uthathe lo mntana la
ngithola ma-obvious wacaba bayabenefit amajita wabenefit next ayakhishiwe noyakhala
abogel ababahishe kazi mara kuyafana bayakwigebingu adawasisistory fananale kuyafana babigibingu akithi like negebingu esigcwele yi zenza elabogeli lapho like intwana lezi ezikhishayo esihluphayo ngithi labantwana abasifakela ipressure ukuthi bafuna ukudla
yaunderstand intwana ezikhishayo kanye nekawo ezibhayo intwana eziculayo yekasi ka like mara sesijoyinela amagenge ngithola
wena okay kunentwana feel iziza kuwe usushingicela ukuthi next thing ubona intwana seyikumagenge
and mina ngiyangibasela ngoba feel nami ngiphuma la ngithola like ngizotshela umuntu like izoba ngathi no
izothubana
ubani wena uzongitshela ngiyangithola ngiyacaba abantu bayavina ngithola and iyasikhabatha leli ngeke sisukumisane ezikasi ngithola
ntwana so ngicela ungifake stars no-Kena 01 umKena 01 macangami fucked up yazi all okay mara ngifuna wena ungitshele ngoba nisipana no-2 why ngayakhipha une-01 ukurelease inkinga iva somlanda sizibuzela yena mara ufuna ukubuza nawe futhi evie why angarelease une-01
before inkansaka uyabona uyenzayo lo
before iphendule do you think ukuthi ama-podcast ayalwisa
yo macala eyalwisa
makabalwisile mani
alwisa kanjani ama-podcast like i-podcast
because muthi ukwenete yahayi
sabanye babasela ukuthi ufaka amagama abo yangithola emoyeni nosesiyacaba ukuthi awubantu bantu kanti wenza kanje ngithola into ezinjalo macala
ungeke akugaga uyazi uKena 01 nabona ngitshele okay yini enza ukuthi wena unga-upload ke unga-release
like okay ngizobengela mina no-Key ngithola
sure
feel like we haven't signed feel like
nifuna ukusayina kanti nini
obvious have distribution ngithola sowazi ukurelease ngithola ngoba thina like sama-free agent asayinwanga under record label ngithola yasibhayizisa we try marish yakhala ngithola kumele sihlangane ezamajita sikhulume ukuthi le ndaba siyenza kanjani
ngizomanage
kanti Swords Academy hali signed under that label
like
or
so it's obvious like also it's obvious so it's something into rebuild I feel.
okay so hona tje if ever like ke wa bona ntse go sotse ke Satan label ke like o thola contract le record label e nngwe ba re sushi ra o nka go wetsa eng I never wa problem le Sots Entertainment.
Yeah, I never got a problem obvious. Ma obvious ke tlo ya le machita re bua ntshwana.
Obvious
Ba dintho fela nje you must speak as le machita ntshwana ba ska makala no ke nna o le sektsama le bo mamang like ba sa ntshwana.
Mara ngeke uyeke opportunity mayizakala ukuthi haya machita.
Yeah, I think it. Yeah, obvious uyaqala. How it rolls. Hamba kanje.
Uyamba kanjani lo wesozokhona ukuvulela amachita fini I understand.
Yeah, injalo.
Yeah, that was intwana yibo wayevula if ufuna ucala izibhaya ngomndeva yiyo lo muntu ayivula le ngeshow le
ke namnikazi wapina eya ikasilabo clever nabo Jesu
kasaba clever nabo asikhulume asibiyele la lokuyithithi ba manje kwenda yakho bafela
Athi 2020 yeah 2020 yeah ngisava no size one
mara so shito ke ni studio
obvious like into serious
mara la trigly grade la mamele ke kurse ukuthi mekuyithisela
no to joke into serious
because
never 24 minutes ago
asingena mava obvious angithi mina supporter nezabantu
no masisi
sesh no wathi uyenza no yatijia mele ngikusupport download video yakho
sesh onadi khumasa go pina ele ne distract hantle so ukuba ubulala hore ine distract na ba re ke abana mo ere leni tsatsa iso wethu ikasila wo clever nabo Jesu abana e party e ba re nele tantrum ne ba itrobela someone
mina ngazi akusiyimi ngibhalile lyric mina ngizomacala shaya lyric ngiyangithola ngangene etribina ngazi mangabe ulwa nobala ngithola ngisho kanjani
wena mufakela akhi verse
enhle yangidisani bafiki angizenzi lezinto lezo
undercover this undercover
ne muthu wamqonda undercover yini aso right muthu wamjuyisa lokiseta abatsalo ngithola no
so uthi singakuthola kanjani kuma socials ntwana abantu uzokhona ukuthi bakufollow bamamele ngoba uyapost ama short videos ingoma zakho so tholakala va kuma socials
fili thola la ku Facebook I go by the name of Baba Suchomteva State ku Facebook then ku Instagram Suchomteva TikTok Suchomteva ya kufela la izi ngithola
Suchomteva
yeah like session Suchomteva la ngithola bafuna
Suchomteva
anko
uyazi meaning yomdeva sushi ke meaning uyapi gaba la
sushi like the food the juice yeah ilabantu like boma plantation tonyana ngithola ungayisearch noma uzobonisa ukuthi isushi like some sort of juice like plantation
sushi ya SW
yeah sushi ngihila abantu
like ay maravele na ngoma zakeza ukuthi
ngithola ya like into ehila abantu na medication tonyana maka like not certain
food ne
yeah
sushi we search a bit
yeah we search
okay juice
yeah mama medication tonyana no that
is not a common name for food but is likely to stealing sugar in or
funela phezulu if you are phone
no I'm not kufunda sesifuna ukuhlambaza
ulela ka sushi vele was guy
yeah yini ngiphuza guy
wamdeva
luthi bari
deva lizela mdeva ish that's one I go go so ngithola yeah which is obvious so no le khabathile so ke khutla phela na batho ba bana ba expectile one shot no khutla machitayo la umdeva ngithola ekamalelo lahlala ngithola simancaba ngomdeva phela abantu bebancaba ngoba usushi dala khona ma umdeva uphuma la
so sure yeah wena vele wayihlanganisa umdeva and igama grade lisanda grade like
oh yeah
so singa expectana fili album nyana iphinyana sinibi like
since ngitshele ngale zinto leziyane like mele sihlangane ngemergency otherwise mina onting fili usothe sithofela re drop
ingoma zikho
i challenge esibhekile ngithola ukuthi sipromote ama track kanjani uyangithola because siyakhipha ama-track nini like ma-promote
Sure.
kumele siringe zamanje ukuthi siyenza kanjani into njalo
Yeah.
so kanjalo
uthini kwintwana encane fede eSha Music maybe high school efuna ukuphusha vele ikasi uthini amagamanyana nje okuyigama
mina ngeke ngisho into ezibhaya into engizonitshela ukuthi ningayi ne-pressure ngoba umacala wakho uyaphusha nawe like sofuna ukufana naye like isikhathi sakho siyeza ngithola
Yeah.
hlala ethembeni uNkulunkulu ukhona sobopha sonke like uphusha amaphupho akho ungamumoya ngithola
asibonge-ke ngicela ungitshelele bona ukuthi ba-subscribe baphinde
obvious into bethi imoli wake subscribe imoli ethini Twitter dem ko YouTube ngithola ngingasi-podcast bafethu yebo TikTok ko Insta natholakala
hayi ku-TikTok
TikTok bafethu yebo babuye
bayazi
ringas-exclusive performance
bishebe babonadina
babone social media
asibonge-ke
Awu, yebo.
danko bafethu
Danko, please.
Awe.